Whakapai. It means clean up. Pai is a... Oh, hi Dad. This is a flimin' pigsty, eh? Hey Dad, yeah. Harudawa. I'm just making a video on whakapai. Ngari mau wano e whakapai ne? I'm just... No, mau e whakapai. Inaine. Okay, I just got a... Mau. Inaine. Whakapai. It means clean up. Pai means good. Whaka, when you add it to any kind of word, that's what changes the word a little bit and it makes it into a doing word or an action. So pai is good. Hey, I'm good. To whakapai is to make something good. The first one that you can use is mau e whakapai. Mau, you will. Okay, not he will or she will, but you will. Mau e whakapai. Mau, you will. Whakapai is to make something good. So mau e whakapai, meaning you will clean up. You will make it better. You will make it good. Okay, mau e whakapai. Mau, you will. Maku, I will. And mana is he or she will. These are good for instructions. Okay, when you're trying to delegate or tell people what their job is and what they're going to do. Mana e horopuehu. He or she will. Horopuehu is vacuum. Mana e horopuehu? Okay. And the last one is maku. Maku e awhina. Maku e I will. Awhina help. So that's maku, mau and mana. Give us a like. Give us a share. Spread te reo Māori throughout the world. Okay, Dad. It's all clean now. Awesome, boy. Now go do the lawns.